What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jack. So we're quickly going to go into BitTorrent. We're trending towards that double bottom that we've been talking about for the last week or 2 weeks or so. So we're currently up just basically 1% on the day, and then on the 7-day, we're up 3%, but we are trending downwards, as you can see. So we're sitting at a $4.47 billion market cap, and the 24-hour volume is 1.58 billion. So we can see here on the Twitter, yesterday, Tron Network reached a new all-time high at daily active accounts, 1,810,000. Have some water. Okay. Yeah, so 1,810,000 now. Tron, Wink, BTT, all in the Tron ecosystem, the Tron network. So it's awesome to see that. So let's quickly hop into this technical analysis. So we're here on BitTorrent, and we're on the 4-hour chart. And you can see here, guys, I'll kind of enlarge it. We've broken down through the EMAs, which is bearish. And now if we start to trend back upwards and start to hit our head on the EMAs and use them as resistance, it's going to push us down to that double bottom that we've been talking about over the last few weeks. I always try to be as real as possible with you guys. I know it's hard to hear, you know, when we're in this area or we start climbing once again, that there's still the possibility of us correcting further towards that double bottom. But I always try to just keep it real with you guys. So we can see we've broken the EMAs on the 4-hour chart, and we're starting to see a little bit of buying action. But if we don't break above the EMAs, then we're going to continue to trend downwards. If we don't break above like that and have the EMAs come underneath, then what's going to happen is we're going to hit our head on the EMAs, and we're going to start trending down for BTT. So I'm going to put BTT onto the 1 day. So here's BitTorrent on the 1-day chart, and you can see we're holding some support here along the 55 EMA. Now this would be awesome if we could hold this support level and start trending back upwards, but you can see here we've broken back underneath the 20 EMA once again, which is bearish, guys. So if we don't see that buying action to put us above the 20 EMA on the daily, the price is going to continue downwards, especially if we don't see BTC start to trend back upwards, then the market follows. So I'll show you guys why I think it can make it down to 0.005 on the 1 week chart. Just remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, just a young guy on YouTube. All right, guys, so we're here on the 1 week chart, and the reason why I think it could create this bottom here at 0.005, I'm just going to pull out the fib a little bit so you guys can see it better. Is because if we were to come down to 0.005, we'd find support on the 20 EMA on the 1 week chart. And that's where you want to find your support. And that's very likely where we would start to see an uptrend once again for BitTorrent. And we start trending back upwards. As we see that double bottom, we come down to 0.005 would be a great buying opportunity. We're already at 0.006, so we're trending downwards. And then we find a support here on the 20 EMA, and then we see our next leg up as long as Bitcoin corrects. But we might be going through that ABC correction with Bitcoin. So, and you can see it here where we find support along the 20 EMA, and then we overextend and we come back, and then we just really overextended, and now we're coming back to the 20 EMA. So I am expecting us to drop down to 0.005 and create that double bottom on the 4-hour chart. I'll just show it to you guys one more time, and then we'll finish up this video because I don't want to be redundant and just repeat myself here. Yeah, so we're back here on the 4-hour chart. So I do expect us to keep trending downwards towards that 0.005 unless we break above these EMAs on the 4-hour chart. But we would need some serious buying action and take us back up to 0.008. However, it does look like we're going to come down to 0.005. Remember to always zoom out, guys. I'll go back to the 1 week to show you guys one last time. So we're back here on the 1 week, and you can see your impulsive wave, and then you have your corrective wave, and then you have your next impulsive wave. As long as Bitcoin recovers, it all depends on the master energy. That's why I go over Bitcoin in quite a lot of my videos, because if Bitcoin goes through a further correction, then the rest of the market goes with it. And if we start trending back upwards for Bitcoin, then the rest of the market follows as well. All right, guys, so that's it for BitTorrent, short and sweet. If you got any value, it goes a long way if you smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and you can join the Discord, Patreon, link in the bio, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Much love.